How's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Anyway, welcome. Hello, happy Halloween. Hope you're all enjoying October and having a great time. I know I am. Today I really wanted to do a bat wing eyeliner. Really fucking wanted to. This is what I ended up with. I think it's kind of cool. It's different. What other time of year am I gonna do a bat wing eyeliner? So, you know, I did it. And I'm pretty happy with it. I feel like I look like a teacher that like goes all out like on Halloween for like their elementary school class or something. Anyway, so I'm gonna be doing this look for y'all today and showing you how I created this bat wing eyeliner and this like really like orange eye. The eyeliner is a little tricky because I have like hooded eyes, so it makes eyeliner really hard. Makes it hard to draw shapes and stuff. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this shit, then just keep watching. Thank you so much. If you like the video at any point in time, feel free to drop me a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, let's do it. I think I'm gonna do like half my foundation, like my upper foundation first, because I feel like I'm going to be using a lot of eyeshadow. There could potentially be a lot of fallout. So lately with my foundation, what I've been doing is I put it on initially with a brush and then smooth it out with a beauty sponge. And then we just blend. I also go ahead and just put that on top of my eyelids as well. I'm going to do my brows really quick now. Might fast forward through this part since it's a little boring. In case you're wondering, I'm using this gel liner by Colourpop. It's called Swerve and it's black as a Since we're doing bright orange, I'm gonna go in with this NYX Liquid Suede lip cream and then just blend it around. That brush had like a little bit of a darker shadow on it. It's like the easiest way to get a pigment on your lid. I'm obsessed, you guys. I feel like I'm going to be doing this technique so much, so hopefully you don't get sick of it. Take this color from the chocolate orange palette by Makeup Revolution. Ooh yeah. You definitely have to set these liquid lipsticks. And the secret is like the less you use the better. If you use like too much and it's too glompy, it'll just settle into your creases. I'm just taking a mostly clean brush and diffusing the edge. I think I want to take a little bit of this color right here, teensy bit, teens, and use that to kind of help blend out. Just evening these two sides out a little bit. Let's take a little bit of that for the lower lash line. You really don't need that much at all the way around the eye, including the inner corner. Grabbing that same orange shade that we used before, and we're gonna set that color. We are doing bat wing liner, inspired by my little bats over here, and I've seen tons of people do this on Instagram. It's always been kind of hard for me because I have kind of hooded eyes, and winged liner in general is hard for me, but trying to make it look like a bat shape on these saggy flipped-in eyelids is hard. So what I highly suggest you do, and this is what I did earlier today, practice on your bare face. Practice before you put any makeup on. Just practice. What I use to practice is this Marin water-based face paint, and it is so easy to use, easy to practice with. I used a teensy little brush like this that I got from Michaels, and this way you can practice your movements, your shapes, what looks good on your eye, and easily just wipe it off with water. Boom. You're not using any chemicals. You don't have to use a makeup wipe. On a normal day, like a normal makeup day, I don't think I would use this for eyeliner because it's not waterproof. proof. What I will be using is that same gel liner from Colourpop. Moisten it up with a little Inglot Duraline. This is gonna make it nice and liquidy and easy to work with. I even have this little piece of a bat that I cut that I'm gonna try and use this as like an example, because this I feel like would make a really perfect winged liner. And then just drag that line over and connect it kind of halfway across the eye, right there in the middle of the pupil. Next, I'm just gonna line my waterline with some black pencil. And then I'm just gonna smudge that out with a little black eyeshadow. I forgot the word for eyeshadow. So now you can go in with a pen, eyeliner pen, and just sharpen up any points that need sharpening. Just make sure it's a matte black pen. This one's by Iris Beauty. Alright, I'm just going to pop some lashes on really quick. This pair is one of my favorites. It's by Rouge and Rogue and it's called Miss Fury. Pop a little mascara on the lower lash line. Ooh, and now I can do my black pencil in my upper waterline. It's always easier once I have the falsies on. It's still pretty hard though. Let's finish up the face really quick. I'm just gonna speed through it, I think, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so did my base and cream contour. I'm gonna go back in with the chocolate orange palette and get this color right here. I feel like I lost a little bit of color when I was doing my concealer, so just wanna, ooh, yes. And then let's take a little bit of our translucent powder and use that to blend the edge. Just gonna throw on a little bit more powder contour. This is the Lunatic Cosmetics contour book. Okay, we gotta do an orange blush, people. Orange, Wet n Wild, apricot in the middle. This is LA Splash Lumos highlighting kit, palette, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna mix these two, Illuminate and Lumos. Anybody else whisper yes bitch to themselves when they're doing their makeup? I can't be the only one. Hello, texture. That's fine. And then I go in with just the lighter one for my cupid's bow and my chin. And then we need a tint on the tippity tip of the schnoz. Setting spray. Probably too much. And then, why do I always do that? Put a little bit in the inner corner as well. Oh, and under the brow bone. I'm feeling so spooky, bitch. So for lips, I really don't want my lips to overpower the eyes. I'll start out with Orange County, and if it's too much, I'm gonna put Atomic Makeup Chelsea on top. I should really organize my lipstick drawer. That's an interesting shape for my lips, am I right? Is it weird? I don't know what happened. The lip, I don't know, I think it's kind of cute, but I also think it's too orange, so I'm gonna try putting this on top. If I had something in my teeth the whole time, I'm gonna murder somebody. Somebody, comment below. Maybe you'll be the person that I murder. Okay, bitch, we are finished. We're done. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. What do you think of the bat liner? Is it cute or is it weird? I was super concerned for a while, but just like Bob Ross says, there's no mistakes, there's only happy accidents, and I fully agree with that when it comes to makeup. I am gonna wear my happy accident with a smile. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're all having an absolutely amazing Halloween season so far and enjoying the Halloween content. Hopefully you're not sick of black and orange, because I'm doing a lot of black and orange just because I like it so much. But anyway, thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!